The next exercise is called bridge with marching, and it is a progression from the exercise bridge with small heel lift. Now, this can be quite challenging for most of you, so my suggestion is that do not attempt doing this exercise until you get very good at bridge and bridge with small heel lift. Okay? All right, same starting position. Press your shoulders back and down, your feet pressing down towards the floor, and lift your hips. Now, we really need support here because we're going to be lifting one of the legs off the ground. So press into your right back of the shoulders, back of the arm, as well as your left foot. Lift up the right heel, and then the right toes. You can stop here. This is already very challenging. But if you want to go on, is to bring the leg up to tabletop. What happened now is you are starting to shake. It's normal. And please make sure that your pelvis or your hips stay level, that you don't drop one of your hips. Okay? You don't drop one of your hips. Put the foot down now, and then you drop your pelvis. Okay, that was hard. Again, press your shoulders back and down, your feet press down, lift your hips up and stay. Belly pulling in, the front ribs pulling back a little bit into the back ribs. Press the shoulders on the left side as well as your right foot down into the mat. Lift your left heel, and then your left toes, watch the levelness of your pelvis here. Don't drop the pelvis, don't drop the hip. And then you lift your leg. Hold it. Watch this pelvis, watch this hip, because it wants to drop. Yeah? So you're trying to press into that left arm, right foot again to help keep this up, lifted. And lower the foot, and then drop the pelvis. Not easy if you want to do it properly. Press your shoulders back and down, feet press down, lift your hips and stay. Belly pulling in, front ribs pull into the back ribs to keep your obliques engaged. Press into your right shoulder, right arm, left foot press down, lift up your right heel, and then your toes, watch the pelvis, watch the hips. Keep the hips very quiet and very level as you lift up the leg. Now, how to make this hips level is by pressing onto the right arm and the left foot, right? So now you have the support from the bum and the back of the shoulders. I'm sure you're feeling it already. And once you have the support, it is easier for you to sustain your position in the air. Put your foot down and lower the pelvis. Let's do that one more time. Press your shoulders back and down, feet press down, lift your hips up. Press into your right foot, the left shoulder, left arm, and keep the pelvis very level as you lift your heel, lift your toes, and eventually your leg. Watch this hip, don't let it drop. Press into your left arm, left shoulder more, and your right foot more to feel it in your right bum and the upper back, particularly on the left side. Put your foot down and drop your pelvis. I hope you have learned something today about this exercise and about your body, and I'll see you next time.